Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. As you see, I got my buddy Ahmed with us, and he's from Youth for Palestine. Hello, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
So, before we talk about Youth for Palestine, tell us a little bit about yourself. What should we know about you?
First of all, I'm Ahmad I, and I'm a medical student at the Washington University. I'm a founder of Youth for Palestine and also the representative of Palestine in the United Nations Youth Office, representing Palestine in the international forum and platforms. Also, a person who is passionate about environmental advocacy with an experience of 4 years in international organization, whether Swiss or British organizations.
So, tell us a little about Youth for Palestine. Why'd you start this idea? What need, what opportunity did you see?
So to be honest, what I first saw in my first impression, that I saw that all of the youth globally, they have the rights to show their ideas, to show their talents, to show the communities what they can do. So when I look and compared with the Palestinian community, I saw that there is so much talent, there is so much intelligence that can benefit the world and can benefit their local communities, but there is no assistance for them. So Youth for Palestine is the organization that is covering this gap of what youth really need. We are not only just an organization, we are a close friend for all of those youth by what they need, what they want to get, and connecting them with the international global sides so they can help them and provide them support.
So, tell me about the challenges and successes you've had so far with the organization.
Yeah. So to be honest, the challenges was the logistical support while here in the Gaza Strip. Um, it's very hard to do whatever it is. Like for example, transportation, the reaching out for the students or the audience or those youth, the internet and electricity. So we have a lot of challenges that we can have some success in our mission. However, we have a dedication and commitment for succeeding this mission. So we have a very huge outcomes where we had 7 global ambassadors for international organization and very recognized organizations like the International Youth Council for Gender Equality, and also their World Organization, World Literacy Organization. We have our Palestinian ambassadors in these organizations so they can open work with them. We have also students who started their brands and get a financial income. So they are not depending on their family. They are now depending on themselves. They have the responsibility. We have students now, they have created inventions, and they're going to participate in their largest international competition, which is the Earth Prize. And we are in collaboration with the Earth Foundation. And there are other things that is going to happen on its way for those students, and we are keeping progress for those young talented students.
So, crystal ball time, my friend. Where do you see this organization in 3 years?
I see this organization is completing her goal, where we have our goal, which is reaching one benefited 1 million youth, 1 Palestinian million youth by 2035, of Palestinian youth that they can, whether a Palestinian youth are outside Palestine or inside Palestine, so they can benefit the outer and the inside or the inner communities. And I see this organization is getting with more collaboration with other organizations and is globally recognized and open employment opportunities for those young talented students.
What's the best way for people to reach out to you? How can they learn more and get involved?
So we have our social media accounts, which is on LinkedIn, Youth for Palestine. We have on Instagram, which is for Palestine, and they can also search on Google about Youth for Palestine. So they can see the website, they can learn about the websites, they can see the success stories, they can see our mission, our programs, how they can reach out for us, and our team is open to talk with them. And most of the time, I'm like as I mentioned before, we are a close friend for them. So we are between them, so we can hear from what they want, what they need, and what they want to achieve.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you so much.